Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an educational flyer or poster using Canva, perfect for classroom announcements, events, or any educational materials you want to share with your students. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home page. In the search bar, type flyer or poster to find templates for educational materials. I'll select a simple flyer template to get started. I'm going to go ahead and choose this template. Once you picked your template, it will open up in the editing workspace. You'll click on Customize this template. You can always browse different templates if this one doesn't quite fit your idea. The next step is to customize our flyer. My example, we're going to go ahead and customize our text. So we are going to do this for a science fair. So it says here, you are invited to our, so I'm just going to put delete and I'm going to put science fair. And I'm gonna put this a little bit down. I'm gonna go ahead and update this text and I'm gonna put January 28, 2025. It's gonna go ahead and start at 9 a.m. and it's gonna be at my school at 123, and I don't really need this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the delete button. Delete as well, and I'm going to put we will see you there. Since it is science fair, my background doesn't match with what my flyer wants to showcase. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, we have all these little elements or graphics. We're gonna click on each one individually and we're gonna go ahead and start deleting. Again, I'm going to start deleting the penguins because it is not related to our science fair. My next step, I'm gonna go ahead and update my background. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on anywhere in my flyer. The toolbox is gonna pop up and I'm gonna change my background color, and I am going to choose this grass green color. After that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the left hand side where we see a bunch of different other tools. I'm gonna go ahead and go to elements. On my search elements, I am gonna go ahead and put a science border and see what comes up. I'm gonna go ahead and go to graphic. I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and right click. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom where it says replace background, and there you have it. However, now I'm missing, there's an empty awkward space right here. So maybe I'll just bring this down a little bit. Bring my text down a little bit. Maybe make this a little bit bigger and center it. And maybe I'll go ahead and write science tools and see what comes up. I really like this graphic right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit smaller to fit it. Again, you might have to update how the size or the text style so everything matches, but it's okay. Just make sure that you're taking your time, that everything you see is that you like. Now that you added all your elements, the last thing to do is to check if everything looks balanced. You can always move things around, adjust the text size. If you need to adjust spacing, use the toolbar to fine-tune your design. Once you're happy with the design, it is now time to save it. So over here at the very top, you're gonna rename it I am just going to put flyer, and I am going to put science fair. Again, once you've done that, it's time to download your flyer. So you're going to go ahead and click on the share button. This is going to pop up. You can share your design with anyone in your team. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and download it. For your file type, you can go ahead on the drop down menu, choose whichever one fits your needs. Since I am going to be printing it, I'm going to be choosing PDF print, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on the download button. Once your flyer finishes downloading, you can go ahead and click on it. And this is how it came out. And that's it. You've now created a professional and educational flyer in Canva. It's a simple way to design materials for your classroom that look great and are easy to customize.